Welcome to the podcast version of 10 Best Hot Dog Cart Menu Ideas That Customers Love. Today, we'll explore creative and popular menu options to attract more customers to your hot dog cart business. Now, let's look at gourmet hot dogs. This section recommends using high-quality sausages like bratwurst, chorizo, and Italian sausage. For toppings, consider gourmet options such as caramelized onions, sautéed mushrooms, avocado slices, and arugula. Premium condiments like truffle aioli, chipotle mayo, and mango salsa can elevate the hot dog experience. Moving to regional specialties. Here are some popular regional styles. Chicago style with mustard, onions, tomatoes, pickles, sports peppers, and celery salt. New York style featuring sauerkraut and spicy brown mustard. And Sonoran style with beans, onions, tomatoes, mayo, mustard, and jalapeno sauce. Vegetarian and vegan options covers plant-based alternatives like tofu dogs, veggie dogs, and plant-based sausages. Vegan toppings can include grilled vegetables, vegan cheese, guacamole, and hummus to cater to non-meat eaters. On international flavors, we have several inspired options. Japanese-inspired hot dogs with teriyaki sauce, nori flakes, and sesame seeds. Mexican-inspired with grilled corn, cotija cheese, cilantro, and chipotle mayo. And Mediterranean-inspired featuring tzatziki sauce, feta cheese, cucumber, and olives. Creative Combos presents options like breakfast dog with scrambled eggs, crispy bacon, and melted cheddar. BBQ bacon ranch dog with barbecue sauce, crispy bacon bits, ranch dressing, and fried onions. Or Hawaiian dog with grilled pineapple, bacon, barbecue sauce, and diced onions. Now, seasonal specials. For summer, offer caprese dog with ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, mozzarella, and balsamic glaze. In fall, try harvest dog with caramelized apples, crispy sage, and honey sprinkled to match seasonal tastes. Spicy Creations features the firecracker dog with jalapenos, spicy sriracha mayo, pepper jack cheese, and crushed red pepper flakes. Thai chili dogs come with Thai chili sauce, sliced cucumbers, crushed peanuts, and cilantro for those who enjoy heat. Build Your Own Hot Dogs is about providing various buns like traditional, pretzel, and gluten-free options. For proteins, offer beef, chicken, turkey, and veggie choices. Include an extensive variety of toppings and condiments for full customization. On healthy alternatives, consider protein-powered dog with turkey chicken sausage, spinach, roasted bell peppers, and balsamic glaze. The Green Goddess dog features veggie sausage, avocado, alfalfa sprouts, and Green Goddess dressing for health-conscious customers. Finally, dessert dogs. Try s'mores dog with marshmallow stuffed bun, chocolate sauce, crushed graham crackers, and whipped cream. Banana split dog comes with banana stuffed bun, strawberry sauce, chocolate drizzle, chopped nuts, and a cherry on top. So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.